Hello everyone, thank you for watching the video. Have you ever asked how we humans catch large quantities of squid in the sea? Today, we will see how to catch them and prepare them into our favorite dishes. This is a giant and modern squid fishing boat, fully equipped with modern equipment and machinery to easily hunt and preserve squid. Squid are often caught at night, because squid are often more active at this time, and the light from the ship's lights can attract them closer. However, some types of squid need to be caught during certain times of the day. Some types of ink can adapt to specific weather conditions such as dawn or dusk. Squids are caught with hundreds of meters of squid fishing lines dropped into the sea. Squid fishing lines are often designed to hold the squid tightly when they are hooked. The line can be designed differently, depending on whether squid fishing is done during the day or at night. At night, there may be LED lights attached to the line to attract squid and help anglers see the line more easily. Watch fishermen catch these giant squids. This is the Humboldt squid. The Humboldt squid commonly occurs in the tropical and temperate Pacific Ocean, especially near popular waters such as off the coasts of Peru and Chile. The Humboldt squid is one of the largest squid species, able to reach lengths of up to 1.5 meters or even larger. They usually have a slender body, and both sides of the body have membrane wings that help them move quickly through the water. Humboldt squid usually have a pink, brown, or red body color and can turn white when they are held. After the squid are caught, they are processed, discarding inedible parts such as the top of the head, eyes and foot membranes, and then transferred to shore for further processing. The squid is transferred to the processing factory, where it continues to be cleaned by soaking in ice water, so as not to affect the freshness of the squid. They are then processed into squid foods such as pre-cooked tentacle slices, breaded rings, raw buttons, raw strips, raw or pre-cooked tentacles, ring squid style, seafood mix.